Don't you have to hold your lances up first? Upright?
Upright! 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 Okay, go! Up and turn right! The red team wins! Well, no, the red team does not win. The red team needs to get more, the red team needs to knock down the orange team more. Then the orange team knocks out red. And anyway, so Jonah has to try to knock down the red person. Yes, and try that again because well, you have to knock down Jonah but keep running. Don't just stop. Get go. How about let's pretend Jonah falls down again. Go! Go! Go!
Yay!